Welcome back, guys. In this new video I will be exploring orthographic projection, ortho isometric projection, and auxiliary projection using 3D model. So here I have a object that is in 3D. Important to establish that for an isometric projection we normally view the object from three sides or 3D. Here is the top view, which we can see from here. If we look here, we can see top. This is the top face. And if we were to click on the top face, this is what the top would look like. A box. Go back to isometric, go to southwest isometric. This side is the left face. Here is the right face. If we click on the right view, this is what we will see on the right face. Go back to home, left click here, you will see the left face of this figure. It is important to understand and have an appreciation for these different views for us to understand effectively or understand comprehensively isometric projection, orthographic projection, and auxiliary projection. What is isometric projection? Isometric projection is a three-dimensional representation of an object where we see the top view or plan, the left end elevation, left end face, and also the right end elevation. It is also established here. Here is the front, which is what we see looking from here. Now, it is important to know that when we are drawing this, we would determine where faces or where we use as the front. In this case, here is the front, but here could have been the front as well. Here, front. Now, what is orthographic projection? Orthographic projection is a two-dimensional representation of a 3D object where the object is viewed two-dimensional like this. We have the length and the width. So that is orthographic. Go to the left. Again, we have length and width. Go back home. View from top. We have length and width. So a combination of all three faces gives us or produces an orthographic projection. Now, there are two types of orthographic projections or two representation. One is first angle projection. Now, with first angle projection, what we see on the left is drawn on the left, what is seen on the right is drawn on the right, and the plan is above the front. Of course, this is something that you might want to explore a little bit more. I would have covered this in some of my other books. Now, what is auxiliary projection? Auxiliary projection is the two-dimensional representation of a 3D object in which the object is viewed at an angle. With auxiliary projection, two views are incorporated. Say, for example, if I was to left click here on this, we would have seen the right face here and the left face here. So this incorporates two views. Yeah, let us explore this a little bit. I don't want that. So if we were to explore this, yeah. So here we have isometric, which is 1, 2, 3 views. We change this here. We now have the the auxiliary projection, where two views are represented. So again, for isometric projection, the object is viewed from three angles: the top face, right face, and the left face, or the end elevation. Yeah, so we have the left end elevation, and we also have the right elevation. So this is pretty much that for this video. I won't go in and more details on this particular one.